Transport, a key element in any country's development and an important factor in the Asian Development Bank's agenda.
Transport has been high on ADB's agenda for all the time, but it gets more and more important looking into the growing needs of developing Asia and the Pacific. Transport is an important means for communication, for deliver goods and people, so this is really an important area.
During the past 2 decades, the main focus of ADB's transport sector was to build and rehabilitate roads in developing countries throughout Asia Pacific. From 2005 to 2008, ADB funded the construction of 1,400 kilometers of expressways, national highways, and provincial, district, and rural roads. This helped an estimated 422 million people gain access to schools, hospitals, and livelihood. While road construction and rehabilitation will continue to be a priority for the transport sector, changes in the region's population and economy has led the transport sector to take a different path. One that is aligned with Strategy 2020, ADB's long-term strategic framework.
We have our Strategy 2020, and Strategy 2020 makes reference to inclusive growth, to regional integration and environmentally sustainable development. And transport really is an important means for improving and supporting environmentally sustainable development.
The Sustainable Transport Initiative, or STI, was established to address the region's emerging transport needs.
Through the Sustainable Transport Initiative, we are stepping up our support in 4 areas. The first one is urban transport, like bus rapid transit, metro rail systems, improving urban roads and making them safer for pedestrians, non-motorized transport, and also for moderating the use of cars through things like parking charges and controls. The second area is addressing climate change. We're also working on more support for shifting transport to low carbon modes. We've seen an increase in requests for support for railways in countries ranging from China to Afghanistan to Cambodia and many others. We also are building up support in inland waterways and have a first project going for board consideration in 2011. Our third area of focus in this initiative is on cross-border transport and logistics. We want to strengthen our support for improving procedures to streamline the movements of traffic across the borders. The fourth area of our initiative is road safety and social sustainability. These are the soft sides of transport. Since the 2009 Ministerial Summit on Road Safety in Moscow, ADB has prepared its own action plan for increasing road safety support across Asia and the Pacific. We're working with several development partners now to implement this action plan. Social sustainability is also becoming an increased focus. We want to make transport more inclusive, provide transport options for all, and also to provide more support for some of the social issues such as HIV/AIDS that can be associated with transport.
To be implemented in 3 phases from 2010 till 2020, STI will see a shift in the transport lending pipeline, with ADB granting more loans for urban transport and railways. By 2020, lending for road projects will be overtaken by other types of transport loans. This paradigm shift in the transport sector is huge, but one that ADB needs to do in order to be a catalyst for change amidst the region's changing transport landscape.